Hi, I'm a dentist here at Hudson Dental. My name is Mike Gelati. I've been here for almost 30 years. We're a general dental practice, but we do all phases of dentistry. We do everything from crowns to fillings to cleanings, basically all phases of general dentistry. Our concern is to make it as easy and as comfortable as we can for our patients. We go out our way to do that. We have a great staff that all works at making your visit as pleasurable as it can for going to the dentist. We really pride ourselves on the technology at Hudson Family Dental. We actually do crowns in one visit with a CEREC. It's a unit where we're able to take and design and mill and deliver a crown all in one visit. It means no impressions, it means no temporary, it means you come in and you leave with the crown the same day.
Today I had a one-visit CEREC crown done, which was it was absolutely amazing. It's just no pain at all, and I'm done and I'm gonna go home. I think Dr. Gelati did a great job, and you know, I like coming to him. We have a good conversation, and it's painless.
We also have a laser, we call it Solea, and this laser allows us to do most fillings without any anesthesia. So we're able to do something that people fear the most, the needle, and we're able to stop and not have to use it.
I think it's great. I much prefer it to the ordinary drilling. It's more comfortable and you're more relaxed, I think. If I was to have fillings done again, I would certainly use the laser.
One of the reasons why I love Hudson so much is because of the people. The people here are real, they're genuine. It's a great community. I chose Hudson because of the community. I really wanted to be in a small, close-knit community that I could be part of, that I could bring my family up in, that it would be something I would be able to say, this is a community that I belong.